Hello guys, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas video for this week, starting today, the 12th of April 2021. If you would like to receive those videos and not to miss any, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can do so by clicking the button at the bottom of this video. And before I go into the trading ideas, let me announce the winner of the contest from the last video. Right now on your screen, you should see the name of the person who won my volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4. So congratulations for winning the profile, and what I'll do is I'll do another contest for the next week, and the only thing you need to do to participate in this contest is just leave a comment below this video, which I'll upload on YouTube, and next week in next video I'll randomly pick one person to win my volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4 platform. Alright, so that's for the contest. And let's now go into the trading ideas. What you see before you, that's a chart of Euro Swiss franc on all those three charts. This one, that's a 60-minute chart where I use weekly volume profiles. Then the chart, this one, this is where I use flexible volume profile. That's the profile which you can move around like this. This is a 30-minute chart. And the last chart, this one, that's a 15-minute chart where I have fixed profiles. Those are 4-hour profiles, right? And those get printed automatically every 4 hours. So the first trading idea on Euro Swiss franc, those three charts are linked, so they always show the same trading instrument. In this case, that's the Euro Swiss franc. And this one is based on a setup which I call volume accumulation setup. For this setup, you want to see a rotation like in here, and from that rotation, you want to see aggressive selling activity, like for example in here, right? Now from Euro Swiss franc, you can't expect too aggressive movements because this pair is not that volatile. So, but compared to the rest of the chart, you'll see that this was a significant activity. Also, it's nicely visible in here on the 60-minute chart right there. So from this place, selling activity started, and if you look with the volume profile into this rotation area, you'll see that there was a heavy volume cluster, heavy volumes traded in here, point of control of this area, which means the heaviest volumes in this area were at 1.1033. So for me, this is the most important level, 1.1033, because I think the sellers were adding to their short positions in here and afterwards pushed the price downwards. I think that those sellers will want to defend this zone. All right, so when there's a pullback, those sellers will want to push the price downwards from there. This is what will make this a strong resistance. Now, apart from this volume-based setup, there's also one more setup. It's called support becoming resistance setup, and as you can see in here, the price bounced off that area pretty strongly, which means that this area already worked as a strong support in the past. And currently we are in here, the price went past that support, and when it went past, then the support turned into a resistance. All right, that's a price action setup, which says that breached support turns into a resistance. So at the same level, 11033, there is this price action setup which says that support became a resistance, and also this volume-based setup, volume accumulation setup. All right, so that's the reasoning for this resistance on the Euro Swiss franc. Now let's go into the next trading idea, which is the British pound Japanese yen. So this is the British pound Japanese yen, and as you can see, there was a downtrend last week. When there is a downtrend, I like to look for significant volume clusters to trade from. There was this one, and the price already reacted to it in here. That was the reaction to this volume cluster. Those volumes get traded in here in this rotation, right? and this was the reaction from here. So this level is already spent, this volume cluster is already spent, and the next one in line, that's this one, those volumes which got created in here. So what happened was that sellers were pushing the price downwards, then they were adding to their short positions in here in this rotation. Then the downtrend continued, and when there's a pullback to 151.68, this is where the volumes were the heaviest. When the price comes there again, I expect the sellers from this zone to start defending this zone and to push the price downwards. All right, those sellers will want to defend the positions which they placed there, those shorts which they placed there. All right, so when the price comes there, those guys will start placing aggressive market orders in market, short market orders, and with those aggressive market orders, they'll try to manipulate the price into sell-off again to defend the positions which they placed in here. Alright, so that's the logic behind this setup. Now the British pound Japanese yen, it's a bit volatile pair, so you want to be careful. Maybe use a smaller position with this one. Let me also show you the trade with a flexible volume profile. It's the same as in here. This was a weekly profile. This is flexible profile. This is the level. This is where the heaviest volumes got traded. If I zoom it in, you'll see that this is the place where the heaviest volumes, right? And this is the reaction to the previous volume cluster, this one. So that's for the British pound Japanese yen. And let's now go into the next pair, that's the New Zealand dollar Swiss franc. So this is the New Zealand dollar Swiss franc, and what I have for you is another level there. Maybe you remember on my website I was talking about resistance from here, from this volume cluster which got created in this downtrend. That's also the volume-based trend setup. This level hasn't been tested yet, so it still stays. Let me show this level to you also on the 60-minute chart. Alright, that's the level. This one, alright. There's a market analysis on my website where I talk about this one, so I won't cover this one in this video, but I'll talk about a higher level at 0.6614, because this is also a strong resistance, and let me show you why. This is the downtrend, significant area to notice in this chart, and this downtrend started from a rotation. And you can look either at the rotation like just this one or this one. It doesn't matter how you look at it, because either way you will see that the heaviest volumes throughout this whole rotation, or also this rotation, were in here, 66.14. So heavy volumes were traded there, and then strong sell-off started. Now this tells us that strong sellers were building up their shorts in here, also in here, and after that, after they accumulated their shorts, they started to sell aggressively, push the price downwards into the downtrend. So we know that sellers placed a lot of their short positions in here, and when the price makes it back to this area again, it's pretty likely that those sellers will want to defend this zone. It's important for them because they placed so many positions there, so they'll want to push the price downwards from there. Alright, that's the logic behind this trading level, behind this day trading resistance. Sellers in this area defending this high volume area, this place where they placed their shorts. Alright, this is why the price should turn and go downwards from there. So when there's a pullback to the first level which I mentioned on the website, I expect a reaction, then again, when the price makes it to this level, I expect another reaction. All right? This is the ideal scenario. Now, if you guys would like to learn more about trading with volume profile, then I suggest you go to my website, trader-dale.com, and you go into trading course and tools in here. And in this place, you can enroll in one of my trading courses. So you want to scroll down, and what I recommend is getting the Elite Pack. The Elite Pack consists of volume profile video course, that's 15-hour-long video training on trading with volume profile. It also consists of my personal trading levels, which you'll be getting every day. That's daily trading levels as well as swing trading levels. Now, you will also get my volume profile indicators, which I developed for NinjaTrader 8 and MetaTrader 4 platform. And as a bonus, you will get VWAP indicator, which I developed for NinjaTrader 8 platform, and also my 2 books which I wrote, Volume Profile, The Insider's Guide to Trading, and the other book. It's not listed in here, but you will get it as well. That's the Order Flow Trading Setups. Alright, so that's the recommended pack. And there is one more additional thing which you are going to get with this Elite Pack, and it is free tech support for Elite and Order Flow Pack members. And what this means is that our tech support will set up NinjaTrader 8 platform for you with all the indicators. They'll set you up with my personal trading workspaces. They'll set you up with data feed, and they'll do it free of charge using TeamViewer. They'll have it in no time, and you won't need to spend any time fixing all that yourself. So you can start to focus on learning how to trade and on trading rather than setting everything up yourself. Alright, so that's about that. That's about the recommended trading pack. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you found it interesting, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you in some next video, and until then, happy trading.